A day in the life of a product manager. Hi, I'm Ron. I am the product manager and IAF certified facilitator. Very often people ask me what I do as a product manager every day. Maybe you're someone who wants to make the transition into a product role because you like it, but might not understand it completely. What's so difficult about this question is that every day is different. You need to be constantly aware and balance yourself between technical, business, stakeholders, your teams, and the customer. And doing it is not as easy as one might have thought. In addition, every business delivers its product in a different way. They might use different frameworks and different levels of adaptation. They might run 1 week sprints, 1 month sprints, Kanban, or mix everything with waterfall, which heavily impacts the way you'll be doing your work, only further adding to the complexity. So let's summarize the kind of daily activities that you'll be doing every day. When you start working as a product manager, you'll be in a very versatile role. And quite often it means you'll be wearing a lot of different hats at the same time. Customer advocate, day-to-day decision maker, talking to business, being a customer for the team. To wear all the hats effectively, you will have to talk lots of people, externally or internally to the business, which means you have to attend a lot of meetings. You'll be talking to your customers to understand what they need, what they like, as well as what they don't like, what's challenging them, and what they want to see in the future. Representatives and stakeholders across the business to what our team and sales needs, finance, branding, marketing, what our users are saying, and many more. The development team to see what is the progress, if they understand everything, or maybe they need some clarifications and to make some tough decisions. Some meetings will be regular, like the ones you can see in Scrum ceremonies, or just regular checkpoints with department or management heads. Let's say doing road mapping or product demos. And some meetings that are not so regular, like talking to customers, observing your users, or launching your product. Get used to taking lots of notes. You'll be in some tedious meetings and feel like, wow, what am I doing here? But there will be many others that will inspire you and allow you to see a broader picture more than others could, and it is worth it. You'll be analyzing a lot of data. As a product manager, you need to be curious to know what is happening, what might happen in the future, and how it might affect your work. So you might be analyzing lots of documents or Google Analytics, checking customer support, customer activity, and even some emails. You need to know how to work with data and the ability to work with spreadsheets beyond just addition and subtraction. You need to ask questions about what you're seeing and how that affects you. You need to see a bigger picture of what the customer is saying and what their problem is. Although analyzing lots of data is not always your responsibility, monitoring daily activity doesn't always allow you to see trends of what is actually important. All data looks different. Seeing one data in the beginning of the week might not necessarily mean another by the end of the week, or even if you see data for every week for the past month. Having a data science degree is not needed, but having a willingness to find an answer in what the next question might be, or what is it that we're not seeing? If you rely on others to get data, then you might not always answer the questions that are important to you. Your brain will always be working. After doing lots of research and talking to stakeholders, teams, and users, after you got feedback and looked at the data and got feedback again, you will have to think about what to do with all that. You need to think about how all that information will affect your product, how it can improve your product, or maybe create more ideas. You think about it not just to come up with some features, you can do it from anywhere. It's all about what it is that actually adds value to your user and customer. Being PM means that you'll be gathering all this diverse data and also puts you into a position where you may have a very wide view of the product, wider than anyone else in the business. The famous Venn diagram of Martin Erickson says that the product manager is sitting in the middle of UX, technology, and business, and this is a unique position that allows you to see the whole.